Hey, we're going to take a look at this Spirit of St. Louis tabletop replica jukebox. It's a Selecto-Matic. You have a little knob up here to turn for your song selections, which is just for show. There's a button up here that really doesn't do anything because it does not take coins. We have a fake panel here that when you lower, you'll see your dial for your radio station selections there. And let's listen to some tunes. Let's see. So it does pick up well. There's your antenna there. And let's see, over here we do have a tape deck. We could get it to rewind and pop in and out. We could not ever get it to play, but you can hear it rewind in there. But there's something wrong with the switch, I think, that's not allowing it to play.
Yeah, so that part is in non-working condition.
Yep. Your antenna plug works fine. It does have some surface like scuffing and scratches you can see here.
It sounds pretty good though. The radio part sounds pretty clear, and it seems to tune pretty well too.
Yep, it does. Thanks for watching.